Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a halo eyeshadow tutorial, so please keep on watching. Alright, to prep the face, I'm going to use the Super Goop Play Everyday Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NYX, the Marshmallow Primer. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in shade Dark Brown. For eyeshadow, I am using the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and for my crease, I will be using Yawker and OG. With the ColourPop Lilac You A Lot, I'm going to use the shade called Ghostin, and that I'm going to use all over the lid. For the outer corners, I'll be using the Amrezy palette, and I'm using the shade called Rezy. Fluffy brush wasn't really working for me, so I used a smaller flat brush and I started to pack it on better. Now I'm going to go back in with the light purple shade from the ColourPop palette called Ghostin, and I'm going to pack that in the middle. After applying Ghostin, I'm using the shade Cloud, and it's like a shimmery light purple. Now I'm going to go in with Rezy again, and I'm just going to darken my outer corners up again. And I'm just going to blend everything in and marry everything together. For the center, I'm going to add Barb, and that is the glittery color. This tops the look off, and then I'm just going to go in and do the same thing on my other eye. 2 shades. For highlighting, I use the Fair 110 shade, and for bronzing, I use Tan 146. I'm going to use the Nars Radiant Concealer, and it is in shade Vanilla. This really brightens my under eye. Now I'm going to grab my beauty sponge and I'm going to blend. Set my face with MAC's Patrick's powder. I'm going to add a little bit more concealer there. Set the under eye. Now for my lower lash line, I will add the Rezy shade and also the ColourPop Ghostin shade. lashes. For lips, I'm using the MAC Soar Lip Pencil and the Dose of Colors The Most Lip Gloss. Alright guys, this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks again. See you next time.